Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video, here you can see in front of you, we are unboxing this Acer TV actually. And this model is a G series, guys. It's a 4K Ultra HD smart LED TV, and it is running in Google TV OS only. And it is a frameless design, guys. Currently, we are doing unboxing of this TV now, and plus and technicians are came guys for wall mounting, and this TV will support up to 4K Ultra HD resolution, guys, with 60 Hz refresh rate, and it is a frameless design, guys. This TV is, and it has a 2 GB RAM and 16 GB of storage with 24-watt Dolby Atmos sound speakers, guys. And here you can see is the TV remote, and plus they are providing two batteries, and there is a warranty card, and there is a manual is there, guys, in this cover. And here you can see here is the stand they are fixing, and here we are going to fix this TV. And not only that, guys, in connectivity side there is a dual bandwidth Wi-Fi support is there, two-way audio is there, and HDMI port is there. And in that one it supports eARC to connect computers and all. And there's a USB ports is there, two USB ports. And in sound side there is a 24-watt speaker is there. And not only this, guys, it supports HDR 10 plus, guys. And this TV has a 2 years warranty, guys. They are providing from Acer side, and this TV cost is 21,000, but actual price is 26,000, guys. In Amazon side, they are providing 5,000 rupees discount via coupon. By applying that coupon, you will get 5,000 rupees discount from 26,000. Guys, you can see first thing we need to pair a remote with this TV. And guys, so one thing I forgot to tell, not only that 5,000 rupees coupon, guys, even if you're having any HDFC or Axis Bank card means, you will get an additional discount on this TV, guys, in Amazon. And okay, just now we need to do this first setup. And okay, guys, now TV is starting up, and here you can see, yeah, come on, it's taking some time because this is first time booting up only. Okay, it's came. Yes, we are going inside the settings. First thing, we need to connect your Wi-Fi internet. Okay, before that, here you can see, first we will see what are all the things from ESS side they are providing inside this cover. Let's see. And first thing, you can see here's the warranty card, guys, of this Acer TV. This is a 2 years warranty card actually. Just I'm opening inside. Here you can see they are mentioned as a 2 years warranty. Yes, this G series TV has a 2 years warranty they are providing from Acer side. And there's a user manual guide actually. You can see the TV model is G series smart television. Okay, let's keep this aside. And here you can see, guys, here's the TV. The clarity is also awesome, guys, because it's a 4K resolution screen. It's good. Clarity is also very awesome, and colors are very punchy actually. And here's the remote, guys. You can see the remote is very handy. And here you can see here's the stand they are providing. If you are placing your TV in table, placing your TV in plain surface, you can use the stand. And this is the wall mounting stand, guys. Official wall mount stand from Acer actually. Just we will unbox this too. Let's see. Yeah, come on, it's very tight actually. Tape is actually the tape is very tight, guys. Yeah, okay. Finally, we have opened this, and here you can see, guys. Here's the stand, which it is officially from Acer. The stand is official stand from Acer wall mounting stand. Here you can see they are providing with some screws, doll. And okay, guys, keep the stand aside. And now let's come on. Let's we will go back to the TV. And okay, guys, you can see. Okay, first thing, let's we will check if there is any update is there in this new TV. Actually, we have connected to Wi-Fi network. Actually, let's come on. We will check the update, guys. If there is any update in this Acer TV. Okay, going inside the systems. Just first thing, we need to go to inside the systems and then go to about. And here you can see here's the system updates. Just click on it. Let's see whether any update is there. Yes, guys, there is some update is there. Let's come on now. It's time to do the update. Actually, you can see this update will improve device security and optimize the performance of pre-installed applications. Okay, good. Let's now I'm downloading this update, and this update size is 818 MB, guys. You can see. Okay, it will take some time. Just we need to wait. And okay, guys, just it's now downloaded, and now it's now time to restart it now to install this update. Now TV is booting up. Okay, it's now loading, guys. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're having any queries or doubt, means just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye.